What if I told you that getting a divorce in Kenya does not mean you automatically get half of everything? This is Kenya News Update today. Coming up, you'll discover the shocking court ruling that just shattered a long-standing myth and what it means for every married Kenyan. Meet a husband and wife whose divorce battle just changed the law. For years, he built his career. She ran the home and businesses. They built a life together. But when that life ended, the fight over their wealth began. And here's the twist. The court just said 50-50 is a myth. This is the story of a landmark ruling that proves marriage is a partnership, but divorce is a calculation. The husband went to court. He challenged a high court decision that split everything right down the middle. He argued that equality in marriage does not mean equality in divorce. He said the court must look at who paid, who built, and who sustained their assets. And the Court of Appeal listened. The court ruled that property division is not about emotion. It's about evidence. It's about proven contribution, financial or otherwise. The wife presented her case. She showed her business income. She showed loans she took. She identified properties. And she proved her domestic labor, caring for their children, including one special needs child, all while her husband was away at work. Her contributions counted. But here's the part that will blow your mind. The court did the math. And the husband's financial input was larger. So the court refused an equal split. Major properties were distributed 60-40 in his favor. But wait, there's more. Other properties, the ones they truly built together, were shared equally. And some assets stayed entirely with the wife. This ruling is a seismic shift. It says that as long as you build wealth together, everybody's individual contribution matters, and emotions do not override evidence. Kenyan courts recognize marriage as a partnership, but partnership in law is established through what you can prove. For every spouse, this ruling is a wake-up call. Always keep records. Document your contributions. Recognize non-financial input. Understand that the court measures fairness. It does not assume it. This comes amid a surge in divorce cases in Kenya, especially among women. Recent data shows an increase to 9.3% in 2022, up from just 4.6% in 1989. That's a massive jump. So what does this mean for you? If you're building a life with someone, your sweat, your time, your unpaid labor at home all have value. But you must be able to prove it. The court has spoken. The 50-50 split is dead. Long live the arithmetic of evidence. Some say this is justice, recognizing real effort. Others fear it could trap spouses, especially women, in financial dependency. But the question remains, in a partnership of life, how do you truly measure a person's worth? Do you think this ruling brings fairness or creates more conflict? Drop your take in the comments. Subscribe to Kenya News Update today for more breaking news that impacts your life.